Imagine a dessert so delicious. It's made with pumpkin and requires no oven or mixer. It's quick, easy, and absolutely mouth-watering, with a nostalgic flavor that's simply unique. Hi, I'm Goli, and today in Miss Cake Kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make these delightful pumpkin cake cookies. It has a super soft texture, almost like a cookie, but even better. First, we whisk together 130 grams sugar and 1 egg until it turns light and fluffy. Then add 1 tablespoon of rose water and half a teaspoon of ground cardamom. Add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt and 3 tablespoons of saffron for extra touch of flavor. Now add 300 grams of pumpkin puree and mix them well. Now let's mix dry ingredients. 80 grams of rice flour, 70 grams of wheat flour, and 10 grams of baking powder. Combine them and add to the wet mixture and stir well. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. Also leave a like and comment below. Then wrap it up and let it rest in fridge for about an hour so the rice flour can absorb all that goodness. After an hour, heat up some oil in a pan. Drop spoonfuls of the batter in. On medium heat, let them fry until golden brown on both sides. Once they cool, you can decorate them with whatever you like. I use pistachio powder for a nice finishing touch. To wrap up, these pumpkin cake cookies are not only scrumptious but also bring a wave of nostalgia with every bite. These unique, soft texture and delightful flavor make them absolutely irresistible. So don't miss out. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more delicious recipes.